Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how we can view two Excel workbooks side by side and compare them manually. And also we're going to learn how to open two similar worksheets in order to compare them side by side. So let's begin. The first thing I want to do is open up both of the workbooks that I want to compare, which I have done beforehand. Now I go to the View tab and see the View Side by Side option available over there. So when I click on it, I can see two of the workbooks that I want to compare appear side by side. This happens automatically and there might be some glitches, but I believe they'll work either way. And as you can see, when I scroll down, both of the workbooks are scrolling down, and when I scroll up, both of them are scrolling up. So that's pretty much it. And there's also the option to arrange them either horizontally or vertically. So when I click on horizontal in the arrange all option and press OK, I can see the horizontal comparison. And when I want to do it in the vertical option, so when I click vertical and press OK, I can see the vertical comparison enabled. So that's pretty much it, and I believe it's quite easy to execute. The next thing I want to do is to compare a particular worksheet with itself. So to do that, I'll need to close one of the workbooks and see the first one over here, right? Now I want to go to the new window option and open the worksheet in a new window. And similarly, I want to go to view and view side by side, and as you can see, this is working. As we can see, two same worksheets are being compared side by side, and just like the previous one, we can also go to the new window option, the arrange all option, and see the horizontal option and click on it and press OK, and they will be compared horizontally. So I believe I've made it quite clear, and I hope it helped. Thank you for watching.